All right. Good evening, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good morning, guys. It's all depends on when you are coming across to this YouTube channel. Okay, we are Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this channel is that we give you guys updates about your schools, teach you guys things about Jamb, help you guys solve some problems concerning your Jamb, admission, WAEC, NECO, and at last we also help you guys gain admission. Alright, so it doesn't matter how many years you have been written Jamb. If you have been written Jamb over the years and you want to gain admission, subscribe to this YouTube channel and let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp group. Then we will help you gain admission. Alright, so that's basically what we do, and that's what will help you achieve. Alright, so that's how it is. So today, please, one thing, I'll be sharing updates or things that will help you succeed in this forthcoming post-UTME examination, and also things that will help you gain admission. I was sharing it for free for those that we watch this content from the beginning to the very end. All right, so if you look at our topic of today, you'll find out that we have Ebonyi State University. All right, so we have Ebonyi State University as the topic of today. So since Jamb finished their examination, so many persons has come to me asking me the next thing to do after Jamb examination. Right, so they've been coming to ask me the next thing to do after Jamb examination. So and some also come to ask me when Ebonyi State University will start selling their post-UTME form. Alright, so that's basically why I'm here today, to answer all of those questions. Alright, so firstly, after Jamb UTME examination, the next thing awaits you is post-UTME examination. So post-UTME examination is an examination that is conducted by your school institution of choice. Alright, for your school of choice. Okay, so they will be the one to conduct the examination. Alright, so at the end of the day, you will gain admission if you pass the examination. The examination is very compulsory. So while some school that doesn't write post UTME, what they do is screening. So they will screen you with your WAEC results and your Jamb results. Alright, so at the end of the day, they will also give you admission. All right, so yeah, and some will be asking, when is this post UTME going to be out? All right, so that's the reason why I said you should subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all the bell notifications. So because I will be updating every day about schools. I'll be updating every day. So once the registration commences, I will update you guys and you'll be the first to check it out and message me for your registration. All right, so so that's basically how it is. All right, so that's basically how it is. So now I will try to give you but for now, registration is not on sale now. It's not out now. Forms are not on sale. The reason why forms are not on sale now is because Jamb is not yet done with their results. Alright, so as you all know that they withheld some persons' results. Okay, so they are not yet done. So after when they are done with the results, they will they will hold their policy meeting to decide the 2024 national cutoff mark, and at the end of the day, they will some schools will start selling their forms. So once your school of choice starts selling their forms, I will upload it on the platform and you'll be the first to check it out. So now let me tell you the benefit of what I told you I was going to share for you at the very last side of this video. Okay, so we have a WhatsApp community. Our WhatsApp community is basically for about 2024 UTME registered candidates. Okay, so of which you can become one of us. The only way you can become one of us is by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section that I want to become one of us. I will be right there to give you my WhatsApp number for you to message me on WhatsApp. After getting to know you, we'll add you up on the WhatsApp. All right, so that's second. That's the first one. The second one is that there on our WhatsApp community, you have access to Jamb, you have access to WAEC questions and answers, you have access to Jamb NECO questions and answers, you have access to your school updated past questions. All right, so that's three, and you have access to all these things we are giving to you is basically for free. All right, so you have access to exams timetable. So then and we have learning center also. So there you can learn with us basically for free, and you can interact with your other candidates there for free. So, and very last one, we by next year we are going to launch our program, because we know that once you gain admission, it is not all the allowances that were given to you by your parents that will be enough for you to cope in school. So you also need, where side by side you'll be getting some things that can help you finance your school. All right, so that's why we are launching our program next year. After we launch our program next year, it will definitely help us. All right, so you'll be getting some funds from us there. All right, you'll be getting some funds from us. So it's basically it's advice you become our member. You just let me know in the comment section. All right, so become our member. So once that is done, then we can benefit from there a whole lot. Okay, so a whole lot is too numerous for me to mention. A whole lot, so is you will benefit from it, trust me. All right, so until I see you on my WhatsApp channel. All right, so don't forget I love and cherish you. Okay, for the people that doesn't want to join us right now, okay, so I'll be waiting for you when you decide to join us. Okay, so before then, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all the bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing content, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out, so you don't run out of update. All right, so I love you guys until I see you guys again. Don't forget that this is Brainybite. Okay, this is where we'll be ending this video again. See you all when I see you again. All right, I love you all. Keep winning.